Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to get Windows 10 for free in 2021. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 7, if you want to update your Windows 8 to Windows 10, Windows 7 to Windows 10, so how it is possible? Microsoft provide the free version to upgrade your operating system from your laptop or your desktop. Yes, it is easy to install Windows 10 in your PC or laptop, or you can upgrade your operating system. Let's see how to do that from Microsoft is providing for free. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. So first I would like to share the information. Support for Windows 7 has ended. So after 10 years support, Windows 7 ended 14th January 2021. That is last year itself it is ended. The Windows 7 is not up to date, so till it has been in a different kind of places. So how to shop a Windows 10 with a free one? So if you have your laptop or desktop, you need a system requirement. I have showed you. So this is a RAM and hard disk and graphic card, means it will automatically suitable Windows 10 upgrading. It's easy and free for you. Yes, you can check a 1 GB RAM or 2 GB RAM is enough for you, and hard disk space, that is your operating system should place in a different places. Your hard disk should have 16 GB and more than that, and you need some graphics card, otherwise your inbuilt graphics card is enough for you, as well as your system display should be 800 to 600. So Windows will get automatically graphic card device, everything will be automatically installed. Yes, so in my description I have given the link for download Windows 10 free and upgrade your things. So microsoft.com, en.us and software download Windows 10 is there. So I have given this description link, just click the link, automatically that link will direct to you. So Windows 10 updated one is 10th October 2020. So till now you didn't update your system, means it will show you if you are using Windows 10. I am using Windows 10, I didn't update my operating system. If I want to update my operating system, so I can click here to update my operating system. And if you want to get a new version of download tool for Windows 10, for example, if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8, I want to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10, Windows 8 to Windows 10, means just click download now tool. Automatically your tool will be installed and easy to access. So give the next step and you can get your Windows new one, so with the free one. Yes, before that you need to identify, you need to take a backup of your files. So whatever files is there, you can take a backup. Yes, using this tool, upgrade this PC to Windows 10. Click show more information. So easy to license this. If you have your laptop, licensed laptop, means automatically you can able to download and install, automatically your Windows will be updated. So this is an easy one. This is a free link given from the Microsoft. Use this option, you can upgrade your operating system. Any doubts, please give your comments and like the video, share the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.